Okay guys, so this is the lamp that I got from Ikea. This is how it looks if you set it up as a lamp. And when I first saw this lamp, I thought, oh my god, this is a pre-made crayfish trap. So now let's take out the lamp and let's do a couple of modifications to it. Alright, so this is the lamp. And here on the top I have a hole which I don't like, so I really have to close this. But here on the other side it already looks like a very good trap. I just want to cut out the inner lining and make like a funnel. Alright, so this looks really good, but the funnel here is too open, so I have to close it a little bit. Good job, Julie. Alright guys, so this is how the trap looks now. Now next I want to put in this tea egg that I also got at Ikea's. And as a bait I'm using some dog food because I know that crayfish like it. So let's close this up. And now I'm going to put this at the inside of the trap. And I try to close off the entry here at the bottom. Okay, so now I closed the bottom here, so no animal can escape here. And the other side here is still a little bit too big, so a fish can easily swim in and out. And this is why I'm going to take this part here, which I first cut out of the lamp, and I'm gonna stick it upside down into the trap. Like this. And now a crayfish can easily go into that trap here, but it will not be so easy to find its way out anymore. Okay. I almost forgot to put in some stones. This is important so that the trap doesn't swim on the surface. Okay, now let's throw in the trap. I try to face it with the opening to downstream. Okay, the trap is inside, as you can see, but the top is a little bit above, so I try to push it down. Okay, now I'm going to leave the trap alone and I come again tomorrow. Let's go home, come on! Come here. Oh. You're an idiot. Oh god. Okay. Alright folks, so I've just taken out the trap out of the water. Unfortunately I did not catch anything. But I think that's due to the fact that it's early spring, and in early springtime there's not a lot of activity going on inside of the river. So in fact when I was walking along the creek here I could not see any fish or crayfish. And yeah, I might try out the trap in, let's say, a month or so when spring has finally arrived, and then I'm definitely sure that I'm going to catch something with this. And yeah, if you try to build something like this yourself, it's going to take you hours and hours. So I've built a bigger trap like this myself, and it took me like 1 day to make it. So buying this from Ikea is definitely a faster option, and I only had to do a couple of modifications to this trap here, and these modifications only took me like 20 minutes. So yeah, I think that's a pretty cool trap, and I'm going to try it out another time again. So I really want to thank you for watching, and stay tuned till next time.